Two top productivity platforms. One, burning question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Monday.com, the visual work OS designed to organize your projects. And on the right, Slack, where work happens through instant communication. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's how we're going to do this. Picture a mind map popping up right now. It's got categories like communication, project management, integrations, reporting and dashboards, price, user experience, and security and permissions. Each one, we're putting Monday.com and Slack head to head so you know exactly what you're getting. No surprises. Ready? Let's roll into category number 1. First up, communication. Okay, Monday.com does let you comment on your tasks and keeps updates smack dab in the middle of your boards, which is super handy for tracking what's going on. But here's where I have to be real. There's just no actual group chat. Like, it's not the place if you want to blast out those quick, real-time team convos. Now we slide over to Slack. This platform was designed for chat. Instant messaging, channels, threads, you name it. Honestly, if you want lively back and forth, or even debates about the office coffee machine, Slack just nails it. Only thing, it's not built for those super structured updates you see in project dashboards. But for pure, effortless team chatter, Slack is the clear winner. No contest. Next, project management. And wow, this is where Monday.com comes alive. Those customizable boards, and the automations, timelines, Gantt charts. You can set up workflows faster than you can say, stop micromanaging. Yes, it might seem a tad intense if you just want to chat, but if you're after legit project control, it's a beast. Switching gears to Slack, well, let's be honest, it mostly leans on integrations for project tracking. No built-in tasks, so you're probably going to end up using Asana or Trello anyway. That's fine, but not the most seamless path, right? For managing projects, Monday.com obviously takes this one. Now let's talk integrations. Monday.com packs a punch with native connections, Jira, Teams, Zendesk, and built-in automations. Though, be warned, some fancy stuff hides behind pricier plans. But then, Slack. Oh, and here's something cool. Slack's app directory is enormous. Over 2,000 apps. Google Drive, Zoom, Salesforce, GitHub. The list just keeps going. You get bots, workflows, and so much more. Only catch is, if you're on the free plan, expect a few limitations, like some integrations not being available. Honestly, for integrations, it's neck and neck. I can't pick a winner here. Dead tie. Quick pause! Fun fact time. Did you know Monday.com actually started as a little productivity tool inside a web development company's own offices? They ended up launching it for everyone when they realized, hey, this is way too cool to keep to ourselves. Just shows great things can come from scratching your own itch. On to reporting and dashboards. Now, Monday.com seriously shines here. You can whip up visual dashboards, fancy workload charts, even custom reports so your manager can see every tiny detail. Some of the top-tier reporting features, yeah, they're going to cost you extra, but the basics are strong. On the flip side, Slack really just gives you message analytics and maybe a few stats about activity, unless you add external tools. So if you want numbers and charts that matter, Monday.com totally wins this round. Let's talk price. Monday.com does offer a free plan for up to 2 seats, and you get access to basic project features at all levels. But gotta be honest, once your team grows or you want automation, the costs jump up fast. Slack, meanwhile, is famously generous for small teams. You can chat away for free and start cheap, but you should know that when you need the entire message history or those slick advanced features, the price tag climbs steadily. So for affordability right out the gate, Slack is a bit friendlier. Slack takes the edge in pricing. All right, user experience. With Monday.com, everything is super visual. Drag and drop, customize, make it pop however you want. But, fair warning, it takes some setup if you're brand new. Meanwhile, Slack is classic. Simple chat layout, fast onboarding. You just jump in and get going, though huge teams can make it messy in there. Honestly, both have strengths, both have quirks. I'm calling this a tie. Last one, security and permissions. With Monday.com, you get detailed role settings, audit logs, SSO support, the serious stuff. Advanced controls do sit in those upper tiers, but hey, the basics work for most teams. Slack matches up nicely. It's got super granular roles, enterprise-level compliance, and most pro features tucked away in the Business Plus plan. You'll feel secure with either, assuming you're not on the starter plan. Security is equally solid for both, so try again. Let's wrap all those scores into a radar chart in your mind. Monday.com totally dominates project management and reporting, while Slack rocks for communication and cost. Integration and user experience? Too close to call. Security? Same story. So if you're visualizing, you'll see Monday.com's spikes in some places, Slack's in others, all depending on what you care about. All right, my honest take. If you want powerful workflow automation and manage lots of projects, Monday.com should be your pick. If your team thrives on lightning-fast communication, Slack's the obvious choice. And you know what? Tons of businesses actually use these together. In remote or hybrid setups, they complement each other perfectly. If this breakdown helped you figure things out for your team, don't forget to bookmark this for later, especially when you're doing that next tools audit. Trust me, you'll want these tips handy.